everyone, we have a Nilofer today. She is a recent successful student. She got 8 each just right before the changes. Yeah, Nilofer, how was your experience?
Yes, I'm very lucky to have this test just before these changes, and I got an overall score of 86 in PT academic. I'm very grateful for the support I received from EnglishWise. I benefited from face-to-face classes, and the classes were very engaging, and the teacher helped me to overcome my stress. And but most importantly, I can say that I benefited from one-on-one consultations and strategies provided by my teacher. Yes, I would recommend EnglishWise to anyone who wants to achieve their target scores.
Thank you so much. And what sort of mindset you had during your practices? I know it's a very short time.
Yeah.
Because a lot of students out there, they struggle, they do multiple times exams, and you also mentioned you have given multiple times. So what sort of mindset you had in 3 weeks of time to get that scores of 8 each?
Well, I decided to leave from my work and studies because I'm a student, and because I think being concentrated on your practice would help a lot. And as I said, I came to classes every day and practice every day with the portal and received one-on-one consultation to work on my weaknesses and the areas for improvement. And yes, I think dedication and concentration would help a lot to prevent, taking this test again and again, because it's like financial wise and like
it's too expensive.
It's too expensive. It's just not the cost, like the you how you say it, you I don't know how to say this part, but like drain
yes. To energy, yeah, it's draining your energy.
Draining your energy.
Yes, yes, correct. And when you're practicing, this is the 3 weeks of time. So how many hours of practice you have done on daily basis?
On daily basis, I can say that it's
3 to 4 hours.
I don't know more. I started like when the center is open.
Yeah.
Yes, I think it's at least 8 hours.
8 hours
yeah.
in a day, yeah. So that makes sense, because that's exactly what we recommend. If someone wants to get in the shorter time, the time invested can be a little more, because you're fully dedicated on the exam. Because we have a student who are doing it in 2 months' time as well, so they might do 2 hours in a day, so pretty much, yeah. Any last piece of advice for the students?
Just be concentrated on your work, and with the determination, you can pass and you can get the desired score.
Yes, guys, the key out from this video is practice, determination. If you're struggling out there, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help. Thank you so much, Nilofer.
You're welcome.